Alright guys, we're here today with Carlos Lastra, and today we're giving him the challenge of doing the most flat ground tricks he can possibly do. Hopefully 50. 50 is the number we're going for. Whether we can hit that, we don't know, but he's gonna start at the basics and start doing some really crazy cool tricks that you might have never seen before. So I hope this inspires you, and Carlos, are you ready?
Are you ready? We'll just do the best I can do, okay?
Wow. my friend, are a very talented skateboarder, to say the least. He just busted out that many skateboard tricks in about 35 minutes. It was very incredible to watch. Some of the tricks he pulled out were first try, effortless.
The effort's always there, dude. I promise you that.
So what you guys need to do, go follow this guy on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. You should also subscribe to this channel, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of all of these tricks. Have you seen all of these tricks before? Can you name them all? It was truly something to watch. Seriously, this guy is a machine. Thank you, Carlos.
All right, thank you.
Thank you guys. You are amazing, and we will see you next time.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.